Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to use quick search that works in the phone memory. So whenever you'd like to find a specific file that you know that you've got it, but you have no idea where it was, or a specific setting, specific option in the app, then this quick search will help you. So first of all, we have to turn it on. Let's go to the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen. Here we've got the option home screen search, so let's simply tap on it and tap on the switcher to turn on the option. As you can see, we've got only one setting, let's say, so we can only use the compact search, but that's all right. So now we can go back to the home page, and as you can see here, we've got this option search. So let's simply tap on it, not now. And here we can search for apps, files, and more. Of course, you can use AI if you'd like to. However, all you have to do is to enter the specific option that you'd like to find, option, setting, or file, and your device will basically show you the results. As you can see, in my case, OTG, which is in the settings, but of course, also we've got those suggested options. It will search for the OTG in different apps, which is also a great option. And it will show you the results also in the contacts. For example, we can also find something connected with the security, and as you can see, we've got those top results, and it is showing us the security itself, but also the cleaner and the scan option, which is inside the security app, which is great. In the settings also, so for example, the security update, security and privacy, some kind of shortcuts in the YouTube, Drive, Google, suggested options, etc., etc. So as you can see, it is a really powerful tool, thanks to which you can search inside your phone memory and more. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.